Axie Infinity recently updated their banning norms after approximately 18,000 Axies got banned. Hi, I'm Natalia Shamara, and MetaLeague brings you to the metaverse where we discuss games and gaming. The team explains this ban wave's target was to punish accounts that violated their terms of service. Upon closer examination, it looks like these bans happened to accounts that attempted to speed up their PvP games using some scripts and in some cases, multi-accounting as well. Many trainers, scholars, managers, and individual investors took to voicing their protests after being caught up in an error in the detection algorithm and getting banned. This then resulted in the Sky Mavis team revisiting their ban mechanisms and reversing the ban for some of the false positives. They also reduced the brutality of this ban by making this temporary, by reducing the duration to just 90 days instead of removing the Axies entirely from the marketplace. Axie Infinity also just announced an upcoming breeding event for the 10 millionth Axie. To celebrate its birth, the breeder who breeds the 10 millionth Axie will win a Tanuki Mystic Land item. As per their terms of service, no automation will be allowed during this event. The team now gives breeders 1 week's notice through both their official Twitter and Discord channels to disable automation and non-human means like bots and scripts that they may be using to smoothen the process of breeding. Any violation of terms of service will result in all the Axies in the offending account and the connected accounts being banned and the trainer being disqualified from the event. Interacting with the breeding smart contracts during this breeding event is expressly prohibited. On this occasion, it's a great idea to go through the latest changes in the Axie Infinity's terms of service to get an idea of what all to avoid to not getting banned. The Sky Mavis team has crafted some really strict rules to ensure that bad players in the economy do not try to misuse or manipulate the system for their own personal gains. Some of the main points to remember not to do is do not multi-account. This means playing Axie on more than one account. This does not mean that players cannot play the same account on multiple devices that they may have. For instance, you could play Axie on your laptop and mobile. That won't get you banned. The Sky Mavis team has set up some algorithms to check if players are authentic and not playing on multiple devices and attempting to earn more than their daily quota, thus being unfair to all those other hardworking players. Next, don't try to abuse the energy counter. Some players were caught abusing their daily energy system by gifting more Axies to their friends to enable them to earn more SLP by moving them to a higher energy bracket by increasing their number of Axies. Don't try to alter the clock on your device to either dodge the 24-hour reset cycle or to skip the server maintenance. But playing while traveling to a different time zone won't result in a ban. Don't use a script or a bot or any other sort of program to make Axie playing easy for you. There are exceptions to this, of course. These don't include scripts that enable managers to track their scholars and breeders to simplify their breeding. However, don't use scripts to simplify breeding during a breeding event. Axie Infinity will announce any breeding event a week in advance in their Discord channel and in their Twitter page. Especially don't use any programs that speed up the game, like our dear friends who got banned. Using a VPN or playing on a rooted phone, however, is okay. There is also a rule that prevents minors from playing the game. Axie Infinity also reserves the right to ban players at their discretion as well. There are also other rules that prevent misuse, threat, theft, hack, etc. For details, I've put a link to the entire document in the description below. Getting banned implies that the Axie, the NFT asset that you so carefully chose in the marketplace or got so luckily through some planned breeding, is suddenly removed from the entire economy for a set time period as decided by the team based on the severity of your offense. So if you or your scholars violate any of these rules, yes, managers are held responsible for their scholars' misconduct too. So if you get banned, your Axies will no longer be able to played, bought, sold, or used for breeding, basically becoming a dead investment. Now you don't want that, do you? Remember, the team does update these terms from time to time. So keep yourself informed about these. Share this with your friends, fellow scholars, and fellow trainers, and spread the word. And subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, gameplays, and updates from the metaverse. This is Metalia. Do gently touch that like button to show us a bit of love. Until next time, farewell.